What have you done? Give me your phone. You can't use your phone while you are driving, okay? Your phone will go to your phone jail. There's the phone jail, and I put your phone here for 1 hour, okay? Green jail. You will get your phone in 1 hour, okay? It is in a phone jail. And you can drive with your phone, okay? 1 hour is over. You get your phone back.
Thank you.
Okay, don't use it while you are driving, okay? If you drive with your phone, then you may end up the accident, okay?
Okay. Hello.
You fall down?
Yeah.
Give me your phone. You should not talk on your phone while you're stepping down or stepping up, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Your phone will go to the phone jail for 1 hour, okay? Yellow jail. You get your phone in 1 hour, okay? Next time, don't talk on your phone while you're stepping down or stepping up, okay?
Okay. Where is my phone?
Hi Sam.
Hi.
1 hour is over, so there is your phone, okay?
Thank you.
Don't talk on your phone while you're stepping down or stepping up, alright?
Alright.
What happened? Let me put some water on. Water. Give me your phone now. Your phone will go to the phone jail. You should not use your phone while you are cooking, okay?
Okay.
It may end up the fire. Okay?
Okay.
A blue jail. The 1 hour is over. There is your phone. Okay?
Okay.
Sam,
Hi.
this is your homework. You have to finish all the addition. 5 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2. Okay? And write down on it. Alright?
Plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
have you finished your homework?
Yeah. Oh no. I have one.
Oh no, Sam, you haven't finished your homework yet. What are you doing? Playing on your phone? Give me your phone. Give me your phone. You should not use your phone while you are doing your homework, okay?
Okay.
Your phone will go to the phone jail, okay?
Okay.
Orange jail.
One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four. Yay! Homework done.
Good job, Sam. You have finished your homework. Take your phone now. Don't use it while you're doing homework, okay?
Okay. Raspberry.
What happened? You chew?
Yeah.
Did you chew your tongue?
Yeah.
Because you are watching the video in your phone while you are eating. So you should not use your phone while you are eating, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise you will hurt your tongue or you will overeat, okay?
Okay.
Your phone will go to the phone jail for 1 hour, okay? Purple jail.
Yummy.
Hey Sam, do you want your phone?
No, I want to play.
You want to play?
Yeah.
Very good. Go ahead.